Welcome to EATLAB channel. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
Keep it coming. A little more. Stop. Good.
Barang batu kecil getol, malis bonci kamu.
Nghi không khăm phùng miệng mộng phuộc tâm phu. Nếu đi luôn nín nín ta không khám phùng tâm pháo đuôi yên, sành phùng ý khư lơ phùng xăm tâm tâm bật.
Looks like we're all set to begin the mix.
Agreed, all systems are go.
Looks like the sugar's fully dissolved.
Yep, consistency is perfect. Temperature's holding steady too.
Cylinders. The heated base flows through a carefully calibrated holding tube that maintains 175 degrees Fahrenheit for
the hot, pasteurized base enters a two-stage homogenizer. This process breaks down fat globules to microscopic size. Immediately after homogenization, the base enters the cooling side of the plate heat exchanger. Cold glycol circulating through the plates rapidly cools the mixture. Thus stance. The cooled, pasteurized, and homogenized base flows into large jacketed aging vats. Each vat The aged base flows into continuous freezers, the heart of ice cream making. These horizontal barrel freezers feature a rotating dasher.
As the base enters the continuous freezer, filtered compressed air is precisely injected through specialized ports.
Through observation windows, the transformation is visible. The rotating dasher blades continuously scrape tiny
For cookie dough flavor, frozen cookie dough chunks are fed into the ice cream stream through a precise auger system. Inside the hardening tunnel, powerful refrigeration systems blast freezing air over and around the ice cream containers.
Okay, this batch is perfect, ready for packaging.
-30 minutes at -30 degrees firms the ice cream while keeping the cookies perfectly chewy.
Transcription. The freshly chocolate-coated bars enter a cooling tunnel at 35 degrees Fahrenheit. The topped cones enter a hardening cabinet, where they remain upright in special holders. At -32 degrees, all packaged ice cream products pass through metal detectors before final packaging. The metal detector scans each container for any metal contamination.
For variety packs, the case packer creates bundles containing 2 vanilla, 1 chocolate, and 1 strawberry half-gallon containers.
cylinders. The heated base flows through a carefully calibrated holding tube that maintains 175 degrees Fahrenheit for
Looks like we're all set to begin the mix.
Agreed, all systems are go.
All right, take this pallet to base 7. Copy that, heading to base 7.
Okay, the system has generated the pick list for order 74B.
Great. I'll update the main board and let the floor team know.
Light-tone transcription. The loading dock features refrigerated holding areas that maintain Mount Hengerson's terracotta.
Easy, easy, keep it coming. Stop. Good.